Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I wanted to unbox yet another one of my subscription boxes, which is Keto Krate. I haven't done it in a little while. It is a monthly subscription that I pay for out of pocket, and it's all keto friendly treats. And Dan and I are still on keto. We're still trudging along. He's down 64 pounds. I'm staying at minus 17. I haven't gained any, so that's a win, even though I haven't lost any. But I also haven't really been working out hard, and I'm not as strict as he is because I like to live my best life and eat carbs. So, with that being said, I'm ready for some snackies, and this month is nothing short. So, Keto Krate, we're going to open it up. It's heavy, so we'll see what's in here. Only like a month behind on my Keto Krate, so I only have one more to open besides this one. Oh, I don't want to show my address, and I'll show you guys first. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa! I have a tendency to drop things, as you guys can tell. Already broke even further. Oh.
Hello everybody, we are drunk, yay!
So in every month you get a little like snacky pack thing with different recipes. This one is avocado don't have time chocolate pudding, so it's chocolate pudding made out of avocado. There's a coconut shrimp with peach sriracha dipping sauce recipe. That sounds delicious. Let's see what's over here. Just about getting back on track. This is, so we know, the September Keto Krate. So we are in the month of October. So, I mean, it is what it is. The first thing I'm opening, it's a sugar-free chocolate drink mix. Oh, I have such a craving for hot cocoa. I wonder if I could make it like hot cocoa. It says 8-ounce milk or alternative. So I wonder if I can make it with heavy whipping cream and heat it up and make hot cocoa, because it is October and it is getting chilly out, and today we went for a long bike ride and it was windy and it was cold, and I am ready for hot cocoa, but I can't have hot cocoa because it has like 40 carbs a cup. So I needed an alternative. So if anybody has any fall recipes for keto friendly hot cocoa or hot apple cider, leave me a comment below because I would love to make them. And then this is just like an advertisement for this puree organic at Walmart. It's not like it's a coupon, it's just advertisement. Okay, this first, ooh, good to go bars. These things are really, really good. I love these. So this is cinnamon pecan. That sounds delicious. This is a strawberry nut Jimmy protein bar. I haven't had them yet. Yeah, there's a lot in here this month. Umami, tamari, and apple cider vinegar roasted sunflower kernels. Has anybody, since I've done the review of the Keto Krate, has anybody tried it? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Protein grab and go puffs, baked cheddar. I would love if they tasted like Cheetos. What is this? Sun Yum, sunflower seed dip and spread. Garlic. Huh. That's a new one. I've never heard of that. Oh, we have a drink in here this month. Bright Fox hydration beverage for a brighter tomorrow. Blueberry and vanilla. It's like still water. 1 carb for the whole bottle. It's, I don't know if it's glass, but it's a cute bottle. I would definitely want to drink it cold, so I won't try it. Almond butter chip IQ bar. Haven't tried those. So Dan, who really hasn't worked out, and he still has lost weight because he has more weight to lose and he's a guy, so of course he loses weight easier. But we did get the Peloton, and I have tried yoga, and I have learned I'm not very good at yoga, but I am keeping up with it and trying through the Peloton workouts. So I am trying yoga. These are coconut chips. I don't like coconut, so if it's specifically just coconut, I won't eat it. because I don't like stuff that's overly coconutty. Kosher beef stick original. Yes, a beef stick that is not pork. That means I can eat it, because normally these things are always pork, and then I got to give them to Dan. I love beef sticks so much. They're so good. Snap into a Slim Jim. Oh, except Slim Jims are very high in carbs. Oh, yes. Beef. All right. I don't know if you say it biltong, or biltong. This brand Strive is at Aldi's, and it is, I think, $5 or $6 a pack for one of these at Aldi's, and they are so good. This is my new favorite, like, beef jerky, this beef biltong. I've heard a guy from South Africa say it, and I love how he says it with his accent, and he was making it from, like, a family recipe, and it looked amazing. But this stuff right here, this brand, so good. It doesn't even have to be flavored. It's just air-dried beef slices. Like, there's no sugar, there's no carbs, nothing. Now, these are crunchy cheese black pepper. And then I have used the Peloton, for those who are curious. I have used the Peloton. I have not gotten on it as much as I would like to, because work has been crazy. And then I have been going on a lot of trips. I went to Nashville, Indiana. I'm home this weekend. And then I'm going to Connecticut. And we're also going to, like, New Hampshire and part of New York and Ohio. And then I'm going to Indiana in Fort Wayne at the end of the month. So I don't know if I have any other trips really planned after that. But I've just been really busy. But what's nice is the weather's gotten really crappy and cold here in the suburbs of Chicago. So the Peloton is perfect now. These are Flackers. They are flaxseed crackers. I don't know how I feel about that, because I'm usually not a huge fan of flaxseed. But I'll tell you what, something I miss is a cracker. Oh, wow. So these are 1 carb for 10 crackers. It kind of tastes like seaweedy a little, like a sushi wrap, but it's actually good. Oh my gosh. And they don't have a weird aftertaste. Ingredients are organic flax seeds, organic apple cider vinegar, and sea salt. And that's it. Wow. I'm going to see my girlfriend tomorrow at her house. Maybe I'll bring those with and share those with her, because I think we're going to have some appetizers. Okay. I'm going to open these up, because these are delicious. Guys, if you are looking for beef jerky that is keto friendly, low carb, I'm telling you, get this Strive brand. Like I said, I found it at Aldi, and it's not cheap. Biltong is not cheap in general. But look, can you see that jerky in there? It's so good. And it's just beef. No additives. No sugar. The ingredients are beef, vinegar, raisin juice concentrate. That's interesting. Black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, coriander, clove, and nutmeg. Like, it's just beef that's seasoned. I've seen how it's made, and I'm concerned that it's, like, not cooked at all, and it's literally just air dried. But it's so good. Don't mind my chewing. You need a treat, you get this stuff. Not even a treat, just get it. Alright, I'm going to try these because chewing all day long. Crunchy cheese, black pepper. I'm going to try these because it's a resealable pack. Like I said, I have found some great snacks from Keto Snacks. And a lot of stuff that I don't know where I would normally find it. Okay, so they're like little cheese curds, little cheese poofs. Yeah, they taste like cheese with black pepper. There's not the aftertaste to it, which is nice. I find a lot of the cheese poofs will have a weird, unsettling aftertaste that I don't like. All right, these have a resealable, so let's try these. Normally, I'm not a sunflower seed person. Well, these are sunflower kernels. So these are 3 carbs for 2 servings, which is 1/4 a cup. Let's just try these. What are they seasoned with? Tamari and apple cider vinegar. I don't know what tamari is, guys. Don't judge me. Rather delightful. That's good. Not trying the coconut. Don't ask. I'll have to try this behind the scenes. Oh, I could try it with my new flaxseed crackers. No nuts, soy, or gluten. 1 gram of net carbs per serving. I wonder if it's supposed to be refrigerated. I feel like it should be. I feel like I would want my dip cold. Okay. Let's try these protein puffs because I want to see if they have an aftertaste to them. I'll just put them in the Ziploc bag and save them for later if I like them. Okay, they're little cheesy poofs. Baked cheddar. Oh, they don't have the aftertaste. Good. A little. But they're veggie infused protein grab and go puffs. Not bad. Not bad. I will eat those. Oh my gosh. I want to eat this, but I don't because I'm afraid it's going to taste so good. And then I'm going to have to order it. And that's like $30 a box because these are so expensive. These good to go bars. How many carbs it is. 16 minus 7 grams of fiber and 5 grams of erythritol. So you subtract all of that. So 7 plus 5 is what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't judge me. I just count on my hand. 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So this whole bar is 4 grams. All right. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. And these bars always come in like this, in these little 4 squares. I don't know if it's to help portion. All right, let's try this. So good. So freaking good. Like, I'm angry that it's so good. Good to go cinnamon pecan bars. I'm just going to have to order them again. Because, oh my God, it tastes like a cinnamon cake. Like, not a cinnamon roll, but like, you know, like a slice of zucchini bread. It tastes like a slice of cinnamon pecan cake. This is good. I bet you if I had some coffee, ooh, with some hot coffee, this would be delicious. See, this Good To Go brand was in another month, and it was like a strawberry macadamia. I'm eating it, finishing it. It's so good. I would tell you if it sucked because I love food and I love snacks. Look at me. I love food, clearly. So if I didn't like it, I would definitely tell you, but I really like it. But I bought 2 boxes of the Good To Go. It was like strawberry macadamia and maybe like strawberry lemonade. It's so good, but it was like $30. Oh, it would be good if I chewed and swallowed my food while trying to talk. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. So, these Good To Go bars are very expensive, but they are very good. And every flavor I've had is amazing. So, I'm going to actually save this for later because I did already have dinner. I want to try this kosher beef stick original. 0 grams of sugar, 7 grams of protein. I got to try it. And I can just throw it in a Ziploc bag. That's what I like to do when I open my Keto Crates is I like to try it. And then what I don't finish, I just throw it in a Ziploc bag for later. It's kind of chewier than I would have liked. I like beef sticks to be a little more dry. I don't know what the casing is. Stuffed in a beef collagen casing. I don't know what that means. I don't want to know what that means. Like, I like it, but it's chewier than I would like it to be. But not bad. Not bad. So we got some major wins with this box this month. I'm very excited. And then, let's just try it. The Jimmy protein bar. We're going to give it a whirl. It is, a lot of fiber. 16 carbs, 11 dietary fiber, 8 grams of protein. So it's 5 carbs for 1 bar. It looks like a protein bar. It looks disgusting. Can you see this? Well, kind of smells funky. You can actually see the actual nuts in there. Not a fan. It just reminds me of those like protein bars that you used to shove down just to eat a protein bar and get it in your system, and they were like this flat, like oily substance. Nope, I don't like it. That's going in the garbage. I'm gonna take another bite of my Good to Go bar just to flush out that bad taste. Okay, so as a reminder, Keto Krate, I pay for out of pocket. I'm not sponsored. Nobody's giving me a discount. I don't even have a coupon code. But Keto Krate, hook me up, please. If you've experienced Keto Krate, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of all my goodies. And if you have any questions about the keto life or journey, let me know that as well, since I have been on it. Well, I was on it a long time ago too, when I lost a lot of weight, because I've actually lost more than 100 pounds. I gained 30 back. No, I gained 40 back. So I actually lost 140 pounds and then I gained 40 back, but now I'm down 17. So I have definitely been on keto on and off for quite some time, and I do understand how it works, and I understand that it's not just diet, but at least for me, it is exercise as well. So if you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave me a comment below, hit me up on social media. Everything will be linked in the comments down below. I've got Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Twitch, the whole 9 yards. So definitely follow and like me on all my social media. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and stuck with me till the end. Let me know which snackaroo was your favorite or which one you would like to try. And until next time, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.